In this video, I'll show you how to install OptiFine in Minecraft. Let's get started. Open your web browser. Search for OptiFine. Open the official OptiFine.net website. Click Downloads. Download the latest OptiFine version. If you need an older version, click Show All Versions. Download the version you want. Wait for the countdown to finish. Click Skip. Then click Download. Wait for the download to finish. Open your Downloads folder. Double-click the OptiFine installer. Click Install. If you see an error saying Minecraft was not found, or OptiFine cannot find your Minecraft version, open Minecraft Launcher or T-Launcher. Launch the same Minecraft version as your OptiFine installer. Wait until Minecraft reaches the main menu. Then close Minecraft. Run the OptiFine installer again. Click Install. When the installation is complete, click OK. Now open Minecraft Launcher or T-Launcher. Select the OptiFine profile. Then click Play. To make sure OptiFine is installed, open Options. Then Video Settings. If you see OptiFine HD at the bottom, and many extra video settings, OptiFine was installed successfully. If the OptiFine installer doesn't open, download and install the latest version of Java. Then try opening the installer again. If it still doesn't open, right-click the OptiFine installer. Select Open With. Choose Java Platform SE Binary. If you still have any problems, let us know in the comments. We'll make another guide to help you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.